Finally, everything is done. I want you all to take a look at this. These are our deep fried chicken gizzards. Look how beautiful they are. They're crunchy, they're tender, and they're delicious. Come on and see how we cook these. It was easy and it was a lot of fun. I really think you all will love these. Thank you for all of our new friends. Hey, you all take time to get to know each other, okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed this. As always, let's cook with ease. Peace and love. I just wanted to share one more thing. For a really, really good flavor, use chicken broth instead of water because that will really enhance the chicken flavor. And one more time, look at this, you all. Want a bite? Look. Here, take a bite. Look. You all have to try this out. Okay, I gotta go. Oh my God. So I've made chicken gizzards before, and I just wanted to show you my version of chicken gizzards. Now I'm going to wash these off and make sure they're good and clean, and I'm going to show you how we tenderize chicken gizzards. This is something my family has been making for years, so come on and see how we do it over here. Okay, hang in there with me. Thanks. Our water is at the point where it's boiling now. So this is the best time to season your water. This is a house mix that I made. It has garlic powder, onion powder, a little paprika, and then it has some lemon pepper in there. Now, I don't have much lemon pepper in here, so I'm just going to put it in there. It's good to get your water seasoned, you all. And this is a little house seasoning. I'm just putting it, it's paprika, and it has onion powder. So putting that in there. The seasoned water is really gonna make the gizzards delicious because I'm going to boil them for 20 minutes and then let them cool down. So these are nice and clean. Let's go ahead and put them in. We're going to fry these, by the way. They're going to be delicious. So let's let those boil, and we'll be right back, guys. Here, take a look. Not yet 20 minutes, but I just wanted to come by and show you. They're getting tender. Looking beautiful. Okay, let's keep on cooking them, and I'll be back. One more reason. I like to boil them because it takes out this little stuff, whatever this stuff is. More than likely, it's probably just like dried blood or something, but I like doing this because it gets all these little things floating around. You're going to discard of those things. Okay, let's get to cooking. Guess what, everybody? It has been 20 minutes. Look at how the water has cooked down. I'm going to turn the fire off, and now it's time for the gizzards to cool. And I'm going to let them cool in this juice. So it's going to take a few hours, but they're going to absorb all of this flavor. It's going to take a while, but if you want good gizzards, you have to be patient. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. Peace. All right, so I want to show you what 1 hour looks like. Here we go. So I added extra 40 minutes. First it was 20 minutes. Look at how all the water has cooked down. So you want to do this a total of 1 hour. Okay, next step. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Here I have 2 eggs. So I'm going to put the eggs in here. And then I have the Sazon. There we go. I'm going to add a little hot sauce. Now I'm not going to add a lot because this is already seasoned. And because I let it cool off, it's already marinated too. All right, so let this sit in here. And this is a very important step right here. In our flour, I'm going to add another packet. I'm sorry, that's my phone going off. This is live. You know how that is. I mean, you know what I mean. Add some Sazon to our flour. Actually, of course it's going off now that I'm on the phone. I mean, my phone is going off. Let's see. Okay. I'm also going to add some cornstarch to the flour. This helps with the crunchiness. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Mix this up. This is going to be really, really good. Now, the next step is simply adding this. I'm going to leave it in here. Adding this mixture to the bowl. And I'm also going to add, hold on guys, hold on. A little milk. Just a little milk in here. Not too much. Okay, close this up. And mix this together. You know, I'm always using bags. Mix it up real good. Okay, let me finish mixing this. I'll be back. I'm almost done. One thing I want to say is really press the flour mixture into the gizzards because you want to make sure it's getting in every single one. Okay, now I'm getting ready to take them out and just let them set aside for about 5 minutes. Okay, let me take them out. All right, y'all, we are ready. Here are our gizzards. They've been setting out for a while. I'm gonna place them in the oil. Leave them alone, and I'll be back and check on them. So far they smell so good. Okay, let's let those boil. I said boil, I'm sorry, fry, and I'll be back. All right, we finished with the first fry. Now it's time to put everybody back in the pool for the second fry. Frying it twice really brings out the crispiness. It's not mandatory, but it just makes it really good. So I'm going to go ahead and do this a second time. Look at this, you all. It's good just like that. After this, I'll be back and plate this up for you. Thank you for hanging out with me. Peace. See you in a little bit. Okay, before I plate them, I wanted you to see these. Watch, listen to this. These chicken gizzards. They're tender, crunchy, and they are so good. Hey, you know what I always say, you guys? Let's cook with ease, and let's have fun while we're doing it. Okay, I'll be right back. Love you guys.